Three things never to say to an insurance adjuster. Hi, I'm attorney Justin Elsner. I'm a personal injury attorney. One of the first things I would never say to an insurance adjuster is, I'm not really hurt. And now that can come out a few different ways. If maybe you're just in a collision and the insurance adjuster is asking you how you're doing, a lot of times people may say, oh, I'm doing okay, or I don't really feel anything right now. Well, if the collision just happened, it may take a few days until the pain really sets in. And so always just be aware of your wording when discussing how you're feeling with the insurance adjuster. Second thing that I would avoid saying is something to the effect of agreeing that you could possibly be at fault. The insurance adjuster is trained to try and get you to admit that you've done something wrong and try and get you to admit that maybe there's something you could have done different to avoid the collision. We've heard some crazy stories, and so definitely don't let the insurance adjuster do anything to persuade you to say, yeah, you know what, maybe I was at fault, or yes, I could have done something differently. But if you truly believe you didn't cause the collision, then stay strong with that feeling. Don't be pushed around. And last thing is something along the lines of, I need money, I'm desperate, let's settle, those types of things. Because if the insurance adjuster knows that you're desperate for money, then they are going to lowball you and just try and get you to settle the case before you probably should. You can't settle a case or shouldn't settle a case until you know what all of your damages are. And so avoid kind of giving the in to an insurance adjuster to harass you into trying to settle your case early. If you have been in a collision, you're unsure about the process, and you're having difficulty figuring out what to do, feel free to reach out. We do offer a free consultation, and so we're happy to explain to you what the process is and make sure your rights are all protected.